Air travel is one of the most efficient ways to traverse the globe, yet many passengers remain unaware of the hidden truths and behind-the-scenes intricacies that define their flying experience. From secret compartments to unspoken safety measures, the aviation industry is filled with lesser-known facts that often go unnoticed by travelers. One such intriguing fact is the presence of hidden sleeping quarters for flight attendants, especially on long-haul flights. These rest areas are often located above the main cabin, or within concealed compartments to allow crew members to take breaks without disrupting passengers. Another surprising detail is that airplane food tastes different at high altitudes due to changes in air pressure and humidity, which dulls the sense of taste, leading airlines to add extra seasoning to meals. Oxygen masks, though essential in emergencies, only provide around 12 to 15 minutes of oxygen, which is typically enough time for the pilot to descend to a breathable altitude. Furthermore, pilots and co-pilots are required to eat different meals to prevent the risk of food poisoning affecting both. At the same time, the presence of an axe or crash axe in the cockpit, mandated by aviation regulations, surprises many travelers. Its purpose is to help pilots deal with emergencies such as fires or blocked exits. Another little-known fact is that there are designated, least turbulence, seats, usually located over the wings, where the ride tends to be smoother, compared to the front or back of the aircraft. Many passengers are also unaware that cabin crew members are trained extensively in self-defense, medical emergencies, and even childbirth to handle a wide range of in-flight situations. Moreover, the small hole in airplane windows, known as a breather hole, helps regulate cabin pressure and prevents the outer pane from shattering. One of the most unsettling but lesser discussed realities is that the water on planes, including that used in coffee and tea, is often sourced from onboard tanks that may not be thoroughly cleaned as often as passengers assume, leading many frequent flyers to avoid it altogether. Additionally, tray tables are among the dirtiest surfaces on a plane, often harboring more bacteria than the lavatory flush button, making it advisable for passengers to sanitize their space before use. Despite the illusion of airtight security, many airplane doors cannot actually be opened mid-flight due to the immense cabin pressure that keeps them sealed shut. The lighting dimming during takeoff and landing is not just for ambience but a crucial safety measure to help passengers' eyes adjust in case of an emergency evacuation. Another surprising aspect of air travel is that electronic devices, despite airline regulations, are unlikely to interfere with aircraft navigation, but are restricted to ensure passengers pay attention during critical phases of the flight. While many believe that air travel is unsafe due to turbulence, modern aircraft are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, and turbulence rarely poses a significant threat. Also unknown to many is that the life vests under seats are sometimes stolen by passengers as souvenirs, which is a serious offense as it compromises safety regulations. Pilots often have a secret phrase, or coded language to communicate emergencies discreetly without alarming passengers, ensuring smooth crisis management. The black box, a crucial element of flight safety, is actually bright orange to aid in easier recovery in the event of a crash. There is also a discreet handcuff system available to restrain unruly passengers if necessary, and in extreme cases, pilots have the authority to divert a flight for security reasons. Many passengers assume airplanes receive regular deep cleans, but in reality, deep sanitation happens far less frequently than expected, making it wise to carry disinfectant wipes.